name's Ashley, and I am 31. I have 2 kiddos, the youngest being 2 years old, and I am officially a stay-at-home mom. So when I was younger, I was very active and, did all the right things to keep my body in shape. And then, you have kids and things change. And so I knew that that was always going to be in the plan because I always wanted to, get back to my natural self. I started looking for the person who would do my mom makeover about a year ago. And then I went on several different consultations and did a bunch of different just deep dives into their work. I think it was about 6 or so here in the DFW area. And then I met Dr. Wan, and then that was just it. Sold. From the moment I came in, she's been nothing but caring and kind and understanding. She knew what I was trying to achieve with my aesthetic, and very respectful. I kind of giggle a little when I think about it, but she's actually the only doctor out of the 6 or 7 that I interviewed that wore gloves when doing my consultation. And I was like, well, that was just a different experience. Everyone has been just a blessing from the very beginning to now. Obviously, right after you get done doing a mommy makeover, it's a little intense for the first few days, but I know you're supposed to walk a little bit like a C for a little bit of time, but I was actually up and walking around a lot sooner than I thought I would be, and even Dr. Wan, so it's been nothing but smooth sailing ever since. Not even a month. I felt pretty good 3 weeks out. I don't know if I should have felt that good. I was probably, Dr. Wan will tell you to take it easy and to be very mindful and careful, but I was raring to go. We're on the cusp of swimsuit season, and I just went and bought a whole bunch of new swimsuits, and I felt just very proud to be in my body again, very much like I did when I was younger. And I don't have to wear those really high-waisted swimsuits anymore. I can wear a normal bikini and feel comfortable, so I'm very excited about it. I already told my sister-in-law and everyone that I know who's interested in plastic surgery, this is the place. I think it just goes back to, how respectful she is, how understanding she is and caring. There's been many times where I want to text her about something, and I do, and I'm I'm so sorry I'm texting you, and she immediately picks up the phone, calls me, and is do not apologize. So she's just a very personal person. The staff's very personable. So I've had a very wonderful experience. Stop your search. This is it. This is the place. You found it. But no, for real, I think to be able to understand everything that I wanted with my final outcome, to be heard, to be seen, this Dr. Wan, right? There's plenty of doctors who will just give you the run of the mill of what they think. Well, that's not the case here. You get what you want. So
thank you.